like the melodic.
I thought the end was the worst of all, but we both got issues around resolved, so we're making it.
He has a nice voice.
Lies that you laying in. One last time, told you a secret that you couldn't keep. When I let you down, you'd hold it all for me. Gave you leverage, intertwined, so I severed it. Staring at the screen when I should sleep. I thought
Nice melody.
Feels like you're frozen, stuck in my mind.
Oh wow. I love how it goes up and then brings it back down. This is nice. Ooh. I love his voice. The bass line. I'm losing touch and I'm finding something to cope with, but all I see is your body is feeling hopeless. Somebody say you guys hear that bass? That sounds sick. Staring at the screen. I love this pre-chorus. Only 6,000 subscribers. Feels like you're frozen, stuck in my mind. Flooded with emotions, blowing the line. That vocal ride. I've seen your worst and it cut too deep. You're frozen, stuck in my mind. Damn, dude's got pipes. I'm obsessed with this guy's tone. Ooh. I like that they brought that pulsing synth back. Feels like you're frozen, stuck in my mind. Flooded with emotions, blowing the lines. And it's real, cursing a remedy. I've seen your worst and it cut too deep. You're frozen, stuck in my mind. Ooh, the double time. Ooh. Wow. It's crazy these guys only have 6K subscribers. I mean, maybe they're bigger on like streaming platforms like Spotify and stuff, but if they're not that much bigger, they deserve to be. They're gonna be, because that was actually really awesome. It wasn't heavy at all. There was no screams, and I mean, we got that like kind of little heavy riff after the second chorus, but as soon as these guys are more of like a rock band instead of metal, which is fine, but the songwriting was really cool, and the production is what I'm surprised about, how good the production is for a band with 6,000 subscribers.